Watch this video and learn how to draw Blippi.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Hello, little Arties.
Well, you're in a very good mood, Artie.
Yeah, Artie's in a very good mood.
Well, that's great.
Welcome, little artist, to Artie's show.
Thank you all for coming.
Artie, should we start? Artie? Artie? Should we start?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's draw a wiggly line from the top of the page going towards the center. This is going to be Blippi's hat. Now, we'll do the same on the right side. A squiggly line down to match the left. Let's do a curve on the left and a curve on the right. If we're going too fast for you, little artists, here's a song that Louis prepared.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now, using a thinner pen, we're going to do a squiggle on the left with a straight line up, and then a straight line down, and a squiggly line on the right. Back with the thick pen, let's do a big curve. Join that curve to the bottom of the hat. Now we're going to draw the top of Blippi's glasses.
What did you have for breakfast this morning, Mikey?
Betty, I'm a marker, so I had a banana.
Now come down and draw the bottom of the right side of Blippi's glasses. Very good, Artie. Let's do the same on the left side. Come down and go along and back up a little bit. Now connect the two with an N shape. Let's grab that thin pen again. And we're going to draw the inside outline of Blippi's glasses. Copy the outer shape, but just inside a little bit. Very good. Now let's do the right side. Let's draw Blippi's eyes. Draw a little oval shape inside the glasses and then shade it in all black. That's it. Let's do the same on the right side. Little oval, shade it in black.
I can see Artie's creative mind at work.
You're right, Betty. He's been extra creative today. Blippi is Artie's favourite YouTube star, so he really wants to do a great job on this drawing. Using the thinner pen, let's draw around Blippi's eyes. Time for Blippi's eyebrows. Using the thin pen, let's draw a little triangle shape, a sort of triangle on its side. Oh. You really want a dance break? Okay, why not? Let's have a dance break, everyone.
Time for a dance break. Are you dancing, little artists?
Betty, do do you want to dance with me?
I simply have to jump for joy. Oh, that's 10.
Man, I love a dance break, don't you?
I sure do, Mikey.
We love a dance break as well, Betty. But let's get back to this drawing of Blippi. I think it's time for Blippi's nose. Let's draw a little sort of sausage shape in between the glasses. Then 2 little half circles for the sides of the nose. Let's do Blippi's mouth. We'll start with his teeth, and then his tongue, and then we'll draw the mouth around the outside. Blippi has some stubble. Do you know what stubble is, Artie?
No.
Well, it's the very beginning of when a man grows a beard. The beard hasn't properly grown yet, so it's called stubble.
I want stubble.
Artie, you're way too young to have stubble.
Artie is so talented, isn't he, Mikey?
He really is.
You know, Blippi can't hear us yet. Let's give him some ears. First the right side. Very good. Now the left side. Let's draw Blippi's famous bow tie. Starts with an oval in the middle, and then we'll do sort of butterfly wings on the left and the right. And then it looks like a bow tie.
Butterfly tie.
Well, yes, I guess you could call it a butterfly tie as well. Let's give Blippi some shoulders. And his famous suspenders.
Wow.
You're finished? Really good job, Artie. Now let's colour it in. Finished! It looks wonderful, Artie. I love how you did Blippi's orange bow tie, orange suspenders, and his orange glasses. Really good job.
Bye, Artie.
See you later, little artists. And don't forget,
Have an Artie day.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We have to say goodbye now.